In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bass house with Soundation. We'll build a hard-hitting groove at 126 BPM, craft an aggressive bass that cuts through, and make it pump using sidechain so it feels tight and modern. Start by setting your project tempo to 126 BPM. This tempo is a sweet spot for bass house, fast enough to feel energetic but still roomy for big low end. Open the beatmaker or the SPC drum machine and lay down a heavy kick drum on every beat of the bar, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep the kick front and center since it anchors the entire track. Now add a loud clap to give the groove its snap. Place it so it supports the kick without overpowering it, and make sure the kick remains the loudest element. If anything feels messy, lower the clap slightly and keep the rhythm tight and consistent. Next, let's build the aggressive bass. In bass house, the bass usually comes from short metallic sounding stabs rather than long notes. Open the Soundation library and browse for bass patches labeled bass stabs or wobble. Pick something with grit and attitude. Instead of holding keys, draw short MIDI notes on a 16th note grid to create a bouncing rhythm. Keep the notes tight and leave little pockets of silence so the groove breathes and the kick has space. If your pattern feels flat, try varying the length slightly or shifting a note forward by a 16th to create momentum. Aim for impact, not sustain. To give your bass real weight, layer it with a simple sub bass using a sine wave. Copy the exact same MIDI notes from your main bass to the sub. Keep the sub lower in volume so you feel it more than you hear it, and make sure it plays the same rhythm to reinforce the punch without muddying the mix. Now for the secret sauce, sidechain. Bass house needs that signature pump. On your bass track, add the fakie effect. This automatically ducks the bass every time the kick hits, letting the kick punch through cleanly. Adjust the time so the ducking snaps down quickly with the kick, then rises smoothly. Shape the curve to taste. A sharper curve feels more aggressive, while a gentler one feels rounder. Listen for the bass diving out of the way and returning in time with the groove. When it locks in, the track will feel glued and powerful. That's it. Tight kick and clap, short metallic bass stabs, a supporting sub, and fakie for the pump. Save your loop, expand it, and you've got the foundation of bass house in Soundation.